Apple just announced a new generation of mobile devices, and now the countdown is on to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. To get you ready, we're talking tech today with Laura Seifert. She's a Senior Marketing Manager at Ventive Mobile. She knows exactly what you'll be looking for this holiday season. Laura, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
You brought with you a bunch of products
Yes.
today. All of them might make good stocking stuffers. So let's go down the line here and talk a little bit about each one. The first one here, a wireless charge stand. Looks super convenient.
Super convenient. It's great for your home or office. It looks nice within any type of atmosphere that you can have it sit on a table. You don't have to put it away. It's a super fast 15-watt charger, so it's perfect for those new iPhones, especially ones that are coming out with the bigger batteries.
Now, will it work though if I leave my case on my iPhone?
Yes, absolutely.
That's a fun little tidbit.
Yes.
And moving on now, this next one sounds like a good gift for anyone who might have a long commute in the morning.
Long commutes, this is your savior of definitely. It is a 15-watt wireless car charger. Everything comes in box, everything you need. The best part about this, you can stream music, you can use your GPS, and you'll get a positive charge. So by the time you reach work or your family destination, mom's house, you'll have a positive charge on your phone.
I know a lot of times I use the cord to charge mine in the morning, and I'll have a charge phone when I leave, when I get to where I'm going, but it's the same charge I had when I left.
Yes.
You don't get that extra added bonus.
Absolutely. So this really tops it off and you're ready to go take all those videos and family pictures.
And I like the look of this next one, the wireless charge pad.
So this is our 10-watt wireless charge pad. It's really small, slim, lightweight. It looks really nice. So it really blends into the aesthetic of the house and all
It
this.
really has like a sleek finish there. That's nice.
Yes, it's a really nice added touch that we have this year.
And the power cell, 6010 plus, right there next to it.
So this is perfect for the person that is always on the go, can't be around an outlet, but always needs to have their phone charged. So it is a nice, slim, compact battery. It comes with a built-in Apple cable, and an extra added bonus, it comes with plugs. So it is your wall charger, a cable, and a battery in one. So as you're traveling around, you don't have to worry about bringing 3 things with you. You just have to worry about the one piece.
That's nice. 3 devices in one small device.
Yes.
What's last there on the end?
This is our new Wallport PD1180. So power delivery is the new charging technology that Apple has within their phones. And that just means it can now charge super fast. So compared to the wall charger you have in box with that new phone, if you use this, it'll be less time spent plugging into the wall and waiting for it to charge, and more time going out and seeing your family and going to the parties for this holiday season.
And how much is that one?
So this one is $34.99. So it's a really nice price point for that fast speed charge.
That's exactly what I was going to say. Moving on there to the top sellers, the cables.
Cables. So they are top sellers. They're really nice. We have our ChargeSync alloy. It has a nice nylon braid. It's really durable and it'll stand up to the test of time with all your travels. We also have our tangle-free cables. They come in a multitude of different colors, so it matches all the different phones coming out. And then if you want to start assigning people in your families different colors, so it kind of lessens on that fight.
When you're all home for the holidays, you're all trying to steal each other's charges.
Exactly.
All been there.
All been there, and this eliminates that.
Excellent, Laura Seifert. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
For more on these products or other accessories, you can visit ventive.com/mobile. You can also search for Ventive products on Amazon.